Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change camera on Omegle. So first, head over to your Google Chrome and search for omegle.com. Now as you can see on your screen, the Omegle homepage, and as you can see 34,000 plus online right now. And then you need to click on start chatting on video. So click the blue button, which is the video right here. And then you need to check the box on the restriction, just like that, then confirm and continue. Now right over here, you need to allow using the camera and the microphone on your computer. And now as you can see on the right part of the search bar, you will see the camera symbol right over here. So just click on this to access the camera. So click on manage. So as you can see here on the settings, scroll down until you reach the camera option. And then right here, you can choose the camera what you want to use. You can use the stock camera on your laptop, the Irium webcam, or my HD camera. So that's all. Thank you for watching. So please like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.